Sun Pahubung Bite ho. Student life for trung học bậc thiên cái bắt thuộc hình sinh. Ini tu bang ye ka sei kha lo di ong ka den do kha lo hin. Ting ban cái sei la ka yung tingin siya pa na jugot na pointing jo si chu pa sei boy nan cover tai na. Si chun chilang chu hing ha pha da pong ka ting. So I'll just share some of the trouble that I have, when choosing the course, the kind of course or the field that I want to go when I start having American dreams. So, high school life, college life, or dang to Hasan ho to achomini koi tao hitin. So when I start looking up like the field that I have to study and the kind of thing that I want to do in American, like when I start exploring ORU, honestly. So most of the advice that I got was like professional counseling, and honestly, that is not my mainstream. So to choose something totally different from a theological college or university, and ati tawji ke chu ka major ka honor subject to political science lang hin na. So ORU doesn't have any subject that related to politics, and the closest one was community development, the one that I'm studying right now. And jizong cho ga kisay la chikalut na ding ahi politics iti patin like totally government side of politics lang hi kavepo in social and culture lang hi kahavet zo hin na jijo if it is a course or when I look at all the course and the structure that I have to go through, like some of them include like Hebrew, Greek, and stuff, and I was like, I'm trying to study political science, and what do I have to do with all this Hebrew and Greek? That was my main challenge. I didn't get another choice, so I just went for community development, and it was really worth it. But as a Christian college, the one that I taught and the one that I came here and what I face is totally different, and it's very challenging. Like in India, we don't usually have like a presentation and stuff, like all these big assignment where you have to do all this big research paper and stuff. So half yearly exam, you need to get through half yearly exam and the final exam, and then you're done. That's what we used to do. But here, every week is a final exam to me, so it was really tough one, to be honest. And even right now, honestly, to graduate good, I think I just left like a semester left to graduate, but I still have a lot of things to cover up. I keep on delaying things, to be honest. So my main point is like, apart from the basic, the most important thing in a student life is choosing your course, your major subject, and what you really want to do in your life, and how you're going to use your course, and what you're really going to do. Will that course or major benefit you when you graduate? I think that's one of the, maybe the most important thing for me, because as a person, I would like to work as a social activists, to be honest, like work for the non-governmental organization, for charity work and stuff. So I have to leave the political honors that I have back home so that I can, focus on what I would like to do in the future after my graduation. So I'll just like to put that point down. So choosing your major, your honor, and what you really want to do after your graduation, that is the most important thing. Thank you.